In this video I am show you how to create and clone that repository in GitHub. So first of all I am create first repository is create new. So my app I am create that repository is private and public. What was the select? I am select public. So you can say that my app with demo I'm create. This is a public repository. So readme means all the description your project in this file, and you write in this file with create this file, and I display that file whenever I am clone that repository. So first of all create my app with demo. In this repository I was created, and I show you that repository is public, my app with demo. So I write that here is this my app with demo GitHub. Typing mistakes, select you, and in this way first way. Okay, then I have area private, I don't area public is there public, so anyone can use that repository. GitHub. Display my account. So I was said this app regarding in this how to clone this URL is copy and with create this file. So I am clone here in this clone. Yeah, so here is a URL, this using git auto is git, and yeah, okay, then create a one folder here, you show it with one file readme all your all detail your project. Yeah, so this is a video how to clone and how to create your repository. I have to done, and thank you so much in this video.